Bear Squad, what is up? It is Polar Bear here, and listen, today we're going to be doing something wicked different. We were going to be blowing up a machine, but unfortunately, due to some personal situations and stuff like that, I can't do it today. So we're going to try to do it next week. I know this is like the third time I've said that, but it'll happen eventually. Anyways, so I have gotten an enormous amount of comments about this drink right here, MOXIE. I have people asking about it all the time. My autofocus is focusing on me and not the MOXIE. I guess I don't really care. But so here's the deal. We're gonna try to do something kind of cool with this whole mess. I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before. I've heard some people, it's got like a cult following. Some people absolutely love the drink. Some other people are just like, you know, this is gross or something like that. So we're gonna sit down and we're gonna try it. And you guys are gonna get my initial reaction to trying it. Whether it's good or bad, I don't really know yet. But if this video winds up getting 500 or more likes in the first 48 hours of it being up, I'm gonna reach out to a bigger YouTuber, and we're gonna send he or she some MOXIE and see if we can get them to do a react video as well. I'm hoping that we can create like a chain in the YouTube community for vendors. So let's sit down and do it. I feel like this is the first good picture that I've gotten out of this camera all morning. Not gonna lie, it's been like one of the not best mornings ever trying to get this video shot. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna read off the ingredients before I pour this in here. We got carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, natural and artificial flavors, caramel color, sodium benzoate, preservative. I don't even know how to pronounce this, guys. Genetian, G-E-N-T-I-A-N root. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Extravats, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and citric acid. Man, you ever like read what's inside of a drink or something like that and just be like, why am I about to do this? All right, well, I suppose we can get into it, huh? See, God, I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous to drink something. It's like, I don't know. This is the initial crack. It's the initial crack. What's it smell like? It smells like, God, this is gonna sound, it smells like rum and coke. Why does it smell like rum and coke? That's exactly what it smells like though, rum and coke. Hold on guys, cut's coming, because the car's coming. Okay, car's gone. Sorry about that. So, got some ice, got our MOXIE. Oh geez, whoa, Fizz Central. Man, I don't think we're gonna drink much more than that. Watch it fall off the porch. All right guys. Why am I so nervous to do this? I really shouldn't be nervous to drink something. All right. Jeez. That's not too. Oh. 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 Okay, so at first it was kind of like drinking a cherry Coke, not gonna lie. Oh, it's getting worse. Why is it getting worse? Ugh. Ugh. So at first, when it first went down, it was, I don't know, like cherry Coke and root beer kind of ish, something like that. But then it took a turn for like the dark side wicked fast. There's like an aftertaste that started to emerge. It's like, God, what in the world would I, hold on. Ugh. Oh, God. Oh, that's so gross. Oh, like stale seltzer water or something, or no, a tonic water. You know the aftertaste you get from like a tonic water or something like that. Oh, God, it's disgusting. How do people enjoy that? I sell a lot of this, like a lot of it. Hold on, car. I don't think I care about the car. Whatever. Oh, God, it's so gross. I don't understand how people drink this. Oof. Oh, no. No. It's burping, too. Oh, God, it's... okay, I think it's safe to say that we can just pour that right out. Oh, man. Why did I do this? This was a horrible idea. Oh. Gross. Alright guys, you guys need to hit that like button. I want to send this to someone and see their reaction so bad. Oh. Man. Call it an exaggerated oh, God, it's gross though. Oh, God. No more. Alright. Like the video. I really want to send this to someone else. Oh my gosh. I'm not even gonna do the self-promotion today. Ugh. Oh, guys, I decided I don't care. I don't care at all. We're gonna shout out another YouTuber and we're gonna send them a bottle of this just because I want to see someone else react to this, because my reaction was like, this is probably the worst soda I've ever tasted in my life. It wasn't even bad at first, but it's like, you ever see the Sour Patch Kids commercial where they're sour and then they're sweet? Well, this is the reverse of that. It's sweet and then it's wicked fucking bitter, and it's just so nasty. Oh my gosh. Jaime Ibanez, calling you out, bro. Hit me up. I'm gonna send you a bottle of this. Oh, God.